Give y'all a little spin out after. If I could go ahead. What's up, YouTube? It's your boy SRT BUBZ, and I'm back with another banger for y'all, man. You guys clicked this video, you read the title, you seen the thumbnail, you know exactly why you're here. This video is about how much it's gonna cost for an oil change in the SRT. Starting this video off, I wanna give a shout out to my boy Chris. I'm gonna put his info down here. He basically gave me the inspiration for this video, and it's crazy because we're both at the same oil life. Like, if it focus, we're both at the same oil life. Y'all see I need gas, but I just passed 52,000 miles, man. So right now I'm actually on my way to the car wash, because also while I'm here, I'm gonna get my Jeep appraised. So I'm gonna see how much they try to offer me. I'm probably gonna see about a cash deal. They can write me a check for whatever. But if y'all want to buy the Jeep, shoot me an offer. Like I said, it's on the market right now. 52,000 miles. It's my daily, so it's gonna go up little by little. But S-Class. But yeah, the Jeep is for sale, y'all. So I'm gonna turn the cam on when I pull up to the car wash and get this thing all cleaned up, and then I'm gonna pull up to the dealership. So yeah, pulling up to the car wash now. Yeah, man, about to get this thing appraised. Also, I'm probably gonna do it at some other dealerships this weekend, because if you know, when you put your car on Kelly Blue Book and see offers, people in your city around, a lot of dealerships gonna be calling your phone trying to buy your car. So I'm gonna go see how much they want to give me for it. And I might cash it. They might cash me out. I don't know. We about to see. We are about to see. And my car, hold on, let me turn this down. My car was just so dirty. That's why I ain't even show y'all the car in the vid, because I did a lot of traveling this past weekend, and now it's Friday and I ain't get a wash in like literally a week almost. No, probably like a week. So this car was filthy. Bugs all on the front from highway driving. It's so nasty. I do need gas, but I'll probably get gas after, because the dealership right up the road, and my appointment was at 10:45. But you know, I'm on CPT time. If y'all know what that is, y'all know we out here on CPT time. I'm gonna give y'all a little spin out after. If I could go ahead. Every time I leave a car wash, do a little spin out. Track mode with no gas. I'm dangerous.
They got a crack clock in it?
Nah, it's an SRTG. It's a 392, yeah.
Nice carbon fiber hood, all-wheel drive.
Yeah. Yep. Later. Hurt my soul that time somebody asked me for the track hook. Hurt my soul every time, man. Hurt my soul. But it's alright though. Cause we out here. I'm parking up right now. Let me park on the Jeep side. I don't know. Matter of fact, nah, it's parking right in the front. Cause I gotta go over there. I gotta go over there to get my oil change. Camera ahead. So I'm pulling up now to get my Jeep appraised. But this ain't what this video is about. So I'm gonna cut the cam off and I'm gonna show y'all when I get my oil change. So he ended up saying a little offer. I mean, it's a dealership, right? That's heavy into consideration. And I mean, it's what I expected, you know? So it's an high offer. I'm definitely thinking about it. And I'm about to get a couple more offers. Like I said, probably in a couple days. Well, probably this weekend or in a couple days. So get this figured out, unless y'all want to give me a better offer than the dealership. But here I go, dropping it off for the oil change now.
What's poppin', vlog?
It's good, man.
Poppin' vlog.
Go ahead, shout your shit out. Go ahead, tell them.
Son of Christ on Instagram. You know what I mean? Give me a follow. All right, but for real, what you in here for?
We're Cody here, right? Oil change.
I'm an advisor now, so.
Oil change.
Alright, bye.
He know I texted him already though.
How you doing?
Good, bro. How you? I need anything? I'm gonna grab my shades. Might need that. But nah, I'm straight. I'm about to get it done. Yeah, bro, I've been running a lot. I ain't gonna lie. Nah, I wanted to, bro, but I feel like I wasn't gonna make out enough bread, so I just got it appraised next door to see how much they wanted to give me for it. He said, I wanted like, so that's what the like the private party is gonna give me like. I figured they was gonna say that, huh?
Why you trying to take the thing? You want something else?
Finna get it.
Ew. I know.
On business.
Oh, word?
Everything a write-off, bro.
Word?
Gas, payments, all that shit coming back come tax time. And then with all the YouTube and shit like that, you feel me? That shit gonna come back. And then it's just another change for the channel, and then I probably end up coming back getting one of these shit. That's why I want somebody that I know. I want them to buy this shit. 2-3 years, I'm buying this shit right back from them. And then when they want some new shit, you feel me? Then I go build this and do something else with it, you feel me? And that's just all content for everybody type shit. What up? It was peeling, so that shit was just looking ugly, bro. I had to just get that shit up off there. So while my boy Cody doing my oil change, go ahead, got me a little snack, a little crunch bar, a little vitamin water. And no, I'm not sponsored, but shit, y'all need to sponsor me if anything. Take me a nice little walk on this beautiful day. I'm gonna cut the cam back on after I get the call that my car is done. All right, y'all.
I ain't never been, no, I've been underneath it. I ain't been all the way underneath it like that, though. My baby hoisted.
Y'all see the Jeep first off. Park presidential, like, yeah, this baby, she for sale, y'all. If y'all wanna start a car channel, if y'all wanna, you feel me, y'all wanna start a car page, you know, let me know. If you know, I'll for sure be, if you wanna buy it, I'll for sure be shouting you out all the time, because I want somebody that I know to get the Jeep, y'all. So if you're really interested, send me a DM. Holla at me, man. The Jeep is for sale. So, but yeah, let's get to the price of this oil change. I got my receipt here. It is $139.63. After tax and everything, it comes to $150.80. Alright, and I know a lot of y'all are gonna say, why didn't you do it yourself? It's so easy. You get to save so much money, this, that, and the third. And listen, I'm not the most handy guy, especially with mechanical and electrical stuff. But I do know how to do a lot of things, but I'd rather have a professional do work to my expensive investments, you feel me? And also, like, going through the dealerships and stuff like that, your stuff is under warranty. So anything goes wrong, God forbid, your stuff's gonna get paid for. So on top of that, I also have my friend doing my work, so it's like it's a win-win-win situation. And with me doing YouTube and Instagram and all this other stuff, using my name SRT BUBZ, it's under my business, so I'm promoting myself. Everything that I do with this car is a tax write-off in a sense. Repairs, maintenance, car wash, anything that you pay for on your car that's your business, it's a tax write-off. So it helps you out, makes your business look more credible, make yourself look more credible, and you getting more money back from yourself while using other people's money. That's why I'm not gonna do a lot of things myself. Small things, yeah, I'll fix whatever, do it myself. But I know how to do things, but I'm not gonna extend myself to get things done when I could just save myself, let somebody else do it that's professional, and just pay for it later. So yeah, y'all see it, man. $150. Let me give y'all a wraparound of the Jeep real quick. I know y'all probably seen my hat by now. I'm about to have some merch. I'm about to put some up right here on the screen for y'all. Let me know what y'all thinking down below in the comment section. I'm about to drop some merch for y'all, man. A lot of stuff coming for y'all. And like I said, the Jeep is for sale, so anybody want to buy, man, got 52,000 miles on it. Y'all can see my Instagram for all the pictures and everything that y'all want. Yeah, man.
Alright, y'all, that about does that for this video. Do me a favor, go down and get this video a like if you like this. Go ahead, hit that subscribe, hit that post notification bell, join the club. When you hit that subscribe, you're joining the club. Bad Luck Club, get with it. You see SRT BUBZ merch coming soon. Thank you guys for tuning in once again. See y'all next video.